Hey guys, we got a real quick repair video for you. It's a common failure is the crank position sensor. My boy Eric on the camera. Say hi, Eric.
Hello.
Alright, you're going to need one of these. This is the bad boy. You're going to pull that out. It is held in with a 8mm and it's covered with a protective shield, so to speak, and that's a 7mm. We're going to walk you through this real quick because the customer needs his truck back. Okay, on the outer shield, you've got two 7mm nuts. Actually, they're bolts. We're going to loosen them up. And as always, we've cheated. They're all loose. I'm going to pull that down. You guys can see this. There's the shield. And that's what the bolts look like. Behind that is the 8mm. You're going to pull those out. You got an 8mm nut and one of these little spacers. If you're lucky, the sensor will pop right out and away she goes. Okay, new sensor. We're going to slide it on first, line it up, and then clip it in. Okay, first you slide on the spacer, then the 8mm little nut. Don't drop the nut down the exhaust. Just hand tight for now. Get the other spacer nut combo on. Okay, next is the mud guard. You want to make sure your wire lines up with this hole right here. You don't want to pinch it or you'll be doing it again. So slide that in there, wiggle it into place, and gently put in your bolts. Make sure that wire goes out the wire hole. Again with the hand tightening, line them up. There you go.